You don't want to take off your work, right?
Only one of us will be here.
Okay, but you want some sort of relief, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in order for me to do that, I have to hear the facts. Now, Ms. Daniels, again, continue.
So, like I said.
No, let me direct you really quick. You're getting ready to talk about these 6 figures you have in the bank.
I do.
All right, how much money we talking?
We talking about, 300-400. You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit. Sorry.
I said no more outbursts.
I was coughing.
It's true.
It's your allergies.
Yeah.
Handle that. You need some tissue?
No. No, thank you.
Okay.
She walked into court asking for relief, but what the judge uncovered shocked everyone. With 6 figures casually sitting in the bank, Miss Daniels seemed unbothered. But the judge wasn't buying the act. Her voice cracked. She tried to play it off as allergies. Was it really, or was it guilt finally setting in?
Ms. Daniels, that's what you have in the bank. How much money are you making annually?
Well, it kind of just depends on the year and how many promotions I get, how many companies want to invest in me. So it just depends. Anywhere between.
When are you going to answer my question?
Judge, it's a difficult question for me. Because, sometimes I can have a promotion that's $500, or I can have a promotion that's $50,000 plus. So.
Ms. Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
I do.
You won't believe what's revealed next. The judge demanded a number. She dodged again and again. It depends on the year, she said. Promotions, investments. But time was running out. With each excuse, the courtroom got tenser. The judge had heard enough. He leaned forward. Was this all a game to her? The next part will leave you speechless.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question.
Judge,
On average,
I have a simple answer.
On average, how much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say about, maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take the high end so we can keep this moving, because you came here to waste my time and I do not have time to play with you.
Oh my gosh, Judge.
And is this from an employer, or are you self-employed?
I
What do
am
we do?
self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
He asked for the truth. She gave a range so wide it insulted the court. 30 to 100,000. The judge snapped. You came here to waste my time. The courtroom fell silent. Then she said, Itchy's an influencer. But what she says next will flip the entire room.
What do you influence?
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing. You said the world?
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children, because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last couple months.
Well,
okay?
no, excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, Judge.
You're influencing everyone but these children that you do not have anything to do with and you do not financially support. You said they were with you. Excuse me?
It's hot.
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
It's getting hot.
She trying to show you what she had
The BBL?
done. Yeah.
I'm not interested in the BBL. Let me tell you what I'm about to do. I'm about to make these numbers go BBL, okay?
She claimed to influence the world, but the judge hit back hard. That doesn't include your 5 children, does it? He said. No support, no visits, she squirmed. But it was too late. He saw through it all. And what he said next? It was brutal, but honest. Stay tuned, because the numbers are about to hit hard.
Judge, can I speak briefly?
Briefly. Make it quick.
Quickly, in the last few months, it has been a downtrend due to inflation and all that stuff. People aren't paying as much.
How much was your BBL?
I didn't pay for that.
How much was it? How much was it?
I mean, I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the booties, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid $35, $40.
$1,000?
Yeah, he did.
Oh yeah, let me hurry up and get you out of here with these numbers. You're about to pay child support. You have 5 children total, or do you have other children outside of these 5?
She claimed to influence the world, but the judge hit back hard. That doesn't include your 5 children, does it? He said. No support, no visits, she squirmed. But it was too late. He saw through it all. And what he said next, it was brutal but honest. Stay tuned because the numbers are about to hit hard.
That are under the age of 18.
No, I don't.
Okay,
They're grown.
so just the 5 children, right?
Just
All right, so 5
yeah.
children, that is going to be at the 40%. And you said health insurance was about $350, right?
Yes, Shauna.
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of?
It's official. The numbers are in. 5 children, no health insurance, and a $100,000 income on record. The judge did the math. Her child support was about to be calculated, and it wasn't looking good. But the real surprise, how she reacted, and what happens next, will raise eyebrows.
So, I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
well,
no.
if I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going to be pretty hefty. So I have your gross at $8,333.33. That brings your net to $6,512.07.
The judge almost went with a $350,000 income, but even using her truthful numbers, it didn't help. With a net of over $6,500, she was facing serious payments. She tried to act unbuttered, but the weight of her decisions was closing in fast. What the judge says next might break her confidence completely.
So 6,512 times the 40%, that brings your child support amount to $2,604.
Is that a week, Your Honor? Or?
How often are you paid? Are you paid by the day? You paid by the month? How are you paid?
Judge, it just depends. I would
She
say,
just
though,
answered my question. That's a monthly amount.
I mean, that's
How
great,
she's
monthly.
paid, it'll just break down, but the amount is $2,604 plus.
I can give you that.
Plus.
You need it.
Is that per week? She asked. The judge had to pause. With $2,654 in monthly support calculated, she still wasn't sure how she'd pay. Her influencer life had met reality fast, and now the financial burden wasn't negotiable. But just wait until you hear the final number.
$350 reimbursement for the children, so that brings your monthly rate to $2,954.
I got it. Can the kids stay with him now?
That's right.
The kids will continue to live with him because that's who they live with, and obviously
They can stay.
you care more about a BBL than them.
That's
Right.
not true.
And we don't know when she's gonna run off again with the next guy.
No, next guy. I'm good.
It'll be a caprice this time.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. So we're good with the numbers then. Is there anything
gravy.
further? All right, is there anything further that you want me to know that's related to this?
It's official. $2,954 a month. But even now, she asked, can the kids stay with him? The judge didn't flinch. You care more about your BBL than your kids, he said. And when her ex exposed her past patterns, the truth hit hard. But there's one more twist before this ends.
Judge, briefly about visitation. How does that work?
The kids are going to stay with him, and you guys are going to work that out at a
we don't get
different.
along very well, as you can see.
Well, obviously, but I mean, they need to stay with him and probably see you on weekends if you're so busy.
That's my busiest time, Judge. I can't do weekends. Maybe Monday to Tuesday.
Well, they go to school.
Right, and I'm at work.
She asked about visitation, but weekends were her busiest time. Monday, Tuesday, the judge reminded her, kids go to school. She had no answers, no plan. The courtroom tension hit a peak, and what she admitted next crushed her credibility even further. The final blow is coming.
Are you going to get them to school?
I
No.
can't.
You can't get them to school.
She don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
She make all that
please.
money,
Oh, you a lie.
but ain't got no car.
You better go see the rose outside.
What kind of roses? I love roses. What color?
I just said rose, like rose gold color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
because I know we weren't talking about that other one. But
no, we
anywho,
not
that's
good.
neither here nor there. Is there anything further, Mr. Cliff?
I think that's all, Your Honor.
All right. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
No car, no school runs, no answers. She claimed to earn 6 figures, but couldn't even get her kids to school. The judge had heard enough. Her story was collapsing under its own weight. This wasn't just about money, it was about responsibility. And for those kids, this ruling meant stability. If you've ever questioned how courts handle tough parenting cases, this story says it all. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments that matter.